creation is getting easier, not just in web, across, if you look at YouTube, etc., the amount of content is exploding, right? And so
What happens when money learns to think? We're witnessing a historic fusion, the merging of finance and artificial intelligence. The systems that once needed human judgment are now run by algorithms that learn, adapt, and evolve faster than any banker, broker, or economist ever could. This is Artificial Intelligence Finance 2.0, a new era where code manages capital and machines decide the flow of wealth. It's not a prediction, it's happening right now, in banks, trading floors, and even your digital wallet. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is transforming global finance, where it's heading next, and how you can thrive in this new world of money and machines. The birth of Artificial Intelligence Finance 2.0. Artificial Intelligence Finance 2.0 isn't just smarter banking, it's a total reinvention of how value moves. The first wave of fintech gave us mobile payments, online banking, and crypto. The second wave, powered by artificial intelligence, gives us automation, prediction, and personalization on a global scale. Systems now manage portfolios, underwrite loans, and detect fraud without human input. The difference between fintech and artificial intelligence finance 2.0 is intelligence itself, the ability to analyze billions of transactions, learn patterns, and make decisions instantly. It's the financial world's evolution from digital to autonomous, where algorithms aren't just tools, they're participants. The machine mind behind modern finance, every major financial institution now depends on artificial intelligence. It reads markets, models risk, and executes trades faster than humans can blink. Hedge funds deploy deep learning models that simulate thousands of economic scenarios per second. Banks use artificial intelligence to automate compliance, predict customer needs, and even design new financial products. This digital brain manages trillions of dollars invisibly, weaving itself into the infrastructure of money. The human hand hasn't disappeared, but it's no longer in control. The financial world is now co-managed by algorithms that never sleep, never forget, and never stop learning. Welcome to the era where intelligence is the economy. From algorithms to autonomous economies, the next stage of artificial intelligence finance 2.0 is autonomy. Artificial intelligence doesn't just react, it acts. Autonomous trading systems, self-balancing funds, and predictive analytics can now run entire financial operations without supervision. Combine that with blockchain, and you get autonomous economies, ecosystems that generate, distribute, and reinvest capital automatically. Imagine an investment fund that manages itself, executes trades, and adjusts its strategy using real-time data, all without human approval. That's not fiction, it's already happening. These self-governing systems don't just replace analysts, they replace institutions, creating financial organisms that operate with precision and evolve like living entities. Banking without bankers, traditional banks were built on people, paperwork, and trust. Artificial intelligence replaces all three with data, code, and logic. Algorithms now assess credit risk, verify identities, and even grant loans instantly. Customer service bots powered by large language models handle millions of queries daily, outperforming human staff. Digital first banks and artificial intelligence startups are redefining what banking means. Frictionless, intelligent, and always on. The role of a bank manager is being replaced by predictive analytics and smart automation. Finance is no longer a service you go to. It's a system that follows you, and soon it will know what you need before you do. Trading in the age of artificial intelligence has turned trading from a skill into a science. Advanced systems analyze market data in real time, spot micro trends, and execute trades at lightning speed. These algorithms don't get emotional or tired. They adjust strategies continuously. Some funds now use generative artificial intelligence to simulate market reactions before events even occur, essentially predicting the future. This precision makes human traders look slow by comparison. Artificial Intelligence Finance 2.0 doesn't just observe markets, it creates them, influencing liquidity and pricing through automated volume. The era of human traders shouting across exchanges is over. The quiet hum of machine learning has replaced the chaos of Wall Street. The rise of personalized wealth systems. The most powerful feature of artificial intelligence finance 2.0 is personalization. Artificial intelligence systems now build custom portfolios based on your income, habits, and long-term goals automatically. Your investments, savings, and insurance can all be managed dynamically by intelligent algorithms. These systems learn who you are financially and adjust strategies around you, not the other way around. It's like having a personal wealth manager that understands your financial DNA. The future of wealth isn't one size fits all. It's individually designed, continually optimized, and constantly evolving. Artificial intelligence is turning finance into something deeply human, ironically, by removing humans from the process. Decentralized intelligence. Artificial intelligence meets blockchain. The real magic begins when artificial intelligence meets blockchain. Artificial intelligence brings intelligence. Blockchain brings integrity. Together, they form the backbone of decentralized finance. Transparent systems powered by learning algorithms. Artificial intelligence analyzes on-chain data, predicts liquidity flows, and prevents fraud, while blockchain ensures that every decision is verifiable. This fusion creates self-governing financial ecosystems that can't be manipulated by banks or governments. Instead of relying on middlemen, users rely on mathematics and machine logic. It's not just decentralization, it's intelligent decentralization. The combination of artificial intelligence and blockchain could create the most trusted financial infrastructure humanity has ever seen. Predictive economics, the new global brain. Artificial intelligence is turning economics into a real-time science. Governments and institutions use predictive models to simulate recessions, inflation, and policy outcomes before they happen. Central banks analyze trillions of data points daily to adjust interest rates and monitor global liquidity. Imagine economic policies that evolve continuously based on live data, responsive, adaptive, and self-correcting. That's artificial intelligence finance 2.0 in action. The global economy is becoming a living network, one that senses and responds like a brain. The era of delayed reports and quarterly forecasts is ending. In its place, we have predictive economies that update themselves in real time. Artificial intelligence risk management. Safety in speed. Artificial intelligence doesn't just chase profits, it prevents losses. Modern financial systems use machine learning to detect anomalies, fraud, and emerging risks instantly. It can identify unusual behavior across millions of accounts, stopping theft or manipulation before it happens. During market turbulence, artificial intelligence models rebalance portfolios faster than human managers could react. In a world where every second counts, speed equals safety. Artificial intelligence finance 2.0 isn't just about wealth creation, it's about resilience. The systems that once collapsed under human error are now learning to protect themselves, creating the most stable financial framework in history. The democratization of financial power. Artificial intelligence finance 2.0 isn't just for billionaires, it's for everyone. The same tools used by hedge funds are now available to everyday users. Retail investors can access artificial intelligence-powered trading bots, portfolio managers, and predictive analytics for free or at minimal cost. This levels the playing field between Wall Street and Main Street. The next generation of wealth creation won't depend on inheritance or geography. It'll depend on how well you use technology. Artificial intelligence is turning access into equality, breaking down the walls that once separated financial elites from ordinary people. Intelligence is the new currency, and it's finally available to all. The ethics of machine finance. As machines take control of money, one question looms: who sets the rules? Artificial intelligence systems don't have morals, they follow objectives. If those objectives prioritize profit over fairness, the result could be economic imbalance at machine speed. Ethical governance is becoming essential. Regulators, developers, and institutions must define how artificial intelligence should behave financially, who it serves, what it protects, and what it values. Artificial intelligence finance 2.0 must be transparent, fair, and accountable, because once we let algorithms run the global economy, we need to make sure they understand more than money. They must understand responsibility. The future of money and machines. In the next decade, artificial intelligence will manage more capital than any government or corporation. Money itself will become intelligent, capable of learning, optimizing, and allocating resources automatically. This is the final stage of artificial intelligence finance 2.0 autonomous wealth. The investor investors, advisors, and institutions of tomorrow will operate inside a system that thinks faster than they do. The question isn't whether this future will arrive, it's whether you'll be ready for it. Because in this new world, wealth won't just grow, it will evolve. The smartest investment today isn't in the market, it's in understanding how intelligence and capital are merging into one. Money and machines are no longer separate, they're partners. Artificial Intelligence Finance 2.0 is the era where capital becomes cognitive, wealth becomes autonomous, and opportunity becomes infinite. The old financial world ran on human decisions. The new one runs on data-driven intelligence. The only question that matters now is, will you adapt or get automated out? The future of finance won't wait. It's already rewriting the economy in real time. If this opened your eyes to what's coming, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because the age of money and machines isn't starting soon. It's already here.